Good morning, everyone. I am Jyoti Bishnoi, your English teacher. Dear students, most of you may be writing diary entry. Diary writing is an expression of writer's feelings, experiences, and emotions that is organized by date related to some particular event. One such famous diary is A Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. The chapter which we are going to deal today, that is A Short Monsoon Diary by Ruskin Bond, is an extract from his personal diary which he has written when he was in Missouri. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He was born on May 19, 1934 at Kasoli. He lives in Missouri. He got the prestigious award of Padam Bhushan and Padam Shri. His famous books are The Room of the Roof, The Blue Umbrella, A Flight of Pigeon, Ours, Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, and many more. The chapter A Short Monsoon Diary, which we are today dealing, as we come to know that it is an extract from Ruskin Bond's famous diary. And this chapter, it expresses the silent miracles of the nature and life, little joys and the regrets. All the day wise and the date wise, especially date wise account of the complete monsoon season was given, and that is about the author's experience during the monsoon month in Missouri. Monsoon starts in the last week of June and continues till the end of August. So the chapter part 1, it starts with the June 24. It is the first day of monsoon mist. The mist has concealed the hills. Concealed means that it has hidden the hills. It has also silenced the birds. The author hears Biju calling to his sister. He can feel that Biju is running. However, the mist does not let him see Biju. The mist appears to change the hills in two ways. It conceals the hills from view. It also makes them silent. It is so because the birds fall silent in the mist. Now some hard words, some vocabulary from this page number 109. Mist, fog, haze, climbing, rising, conceal, hidden, ringing, re-echoing, melancholy, very sad. Now the next page, page 110. It is the account of two date of the monsoon season, that is the June 25 and June 27. So about June 25, the writer has written, the rain is warm and humid. So it is not as uncomfortable as the rain in winter. The flowers are coming up. The author describes the hill station and valley in one sentence, that is, it is a paradise that might have been. And the arrival of the cobra lily flower when it rears its head, that is the symbol, that is the sign of the onset of the monsoon season. Now June 27, the monsoon has brought leeches. Yet what are the different kind of the animals, birds, insects and the flowers we can see in the monsoon season, that is described in his account of the June 27. The monsoon has brought leeches. A leopard has also been seen. It has been stealing dogs and the other animals. Some seasonal flowers also appear. More importantly, new birds appear. Among them are the minivets. These are brightly colored birds. They sit silently among the leaves. Now the hard word vocabulary of this page 110. Genuine. Genuine means real. Stuff, material. Screaming, shouting. Imprecations, curses. Chasing, running after. unnoticed, unmarked. Drongos, songbirds with a stout bill. Now the next page, page 111. Now in this page, the author, that is Ruskin Bond, he is giving us an account of the day August 2, August 3 and August 12. Means that the monsoon season that has started with the June 24 and now it is August. Means that the now the we can say that the monsoon season that is at its peak. In the month of the August, the first day that has been recorded here is August 2. It has rained all night. The sound of the rainfall on the tin roof pleases the author, and the author is saying that one is untouched and yet in touch with the rain. And how it is possible? That is, he can feel some kind of the leakage in the ceiling, due to which he can feel the rainwater, and even though he was not in direct touch with the rain. Now the on August 3 the rain stops. There is sunshine. People, animals and the birds are out in the open once again, and there is a beautiful umbrella rushing here and there. The songs of the whistling thrush coming from a distance pleases the author. Then the August 12. It has been raining non-stop for more than a week. The rain had started for the complete line on August 2, and then again on August 12. For more than a week the rain was continuous there. Everything is damp, moist. One can go out only with an umbrella, but it is not cold. The hills are covered with very beautiful flowers. Now the vocabulary glossary of this page number 111. Drumming, beating as on a drum. Corrugated, groved. Swish, hissing sound. Unaccountable, for which no reason can be given. Leaks, falling of water through small holes. Then disconsolately, unhappily. Ravine, valley. Then soggy, sodden. Damp, not so dry, moist. Now we are moving to the next page. Here there is an account of the day August 31 and October 3. Monsoon growth is visible everywhere because monsoon that was at its highest peak in the month of the August. Until the end of the August, the monsoon growth that is visible everywhere. The seeds of the cobra lily are turning red. This is the most important thing. The arrival of the monsoon that is highlighted by the cobra lily flower rearing its head, means the growth of the cobra lily flower, that is the symbol of the onset of the monsoon. And when the seeds of the cobra lily flower that is turning red, it shows that the rains are coming to an end. All holes are full of rainwater. So snakes and rodents have taken shelter in roofs, attics and godowns. And during this, you can say the end of the monsoon, because all the those holes and the burrows they are full with water. So the rodents they came out in the open. So one rodent, it is chachundar. It also came out, and the grandmother used to say that don't kill chachundar because they always bring the good luck. And the author also got the good luck, as the next very day he got the sight of the chachundar, and the next very day he got a check in his mail. So now next, the October 3. This year monsoon rain continued much longer than usual. Now there is winter rain and a hailstorm has cleared the sky. So the chapter started with the monsoon, with the rain in the monsoon season, that is its peak in June, July and August. But the chapter is coming to an end, to a close, with the description of the winter rain also. Now the vocabulary of this page: lush, green. Peak, highest point. Crevices, narrow openings. attics, lofts, admonishes, rebukes. So these are the vocabulary or the glossary. Now the next page, page 113. This page contains the account of the date, that is January 26 and March 23. In January 26, the author has written a poem about winter rain. The winter rain makes the author more lonely. A friend who had been staying with him has left. Unlike the monsoon rain, there are no flowers in the winter rain. So this is January is the time where even we can also feel the winter rain, and the same thing is being experienced by Ruskin Bone. Now March 23, it is the end of winter. After a hailstorm, there is a rainbow in the clear sky. So rainbow, appearance of the rainbow, that is again the symbol, again the signal that there will be no rain after the rainbow. So we come to know in this chapter that the nature itself, that shows some signal of the arrival of the rain and the ending of the rain. For example, the rearing of the that cobra lily flower, its head from the rocks or the stone, that shows that the monsoon is going to start. Then the turning of the seeds of the cobra lily into red color, that shows the monsoon season is going to end. And the appearance of the rainbow on March 23, that shows that now the winter rain will also come to an end. Now the vocabulary of this page: hushed, complete, rhythm, music, surrounded, encircled, cares, touching lovingly, squatted, sat, foaming, making. So in this way we have a gist of the chapter in a short, and we just have the complete description of all the dates that has been given here. So after having or after going through the gist of the chapter, we are now discussing that what is the message, what is the message of the chapter. A short monsoon diary, even though it is not a story, it is not any kind of the prose that make you some kind of the you can say have some reflection, but even then it has the hidden message. And what is that message? The message is we get from the prose, a short monsoon diary, is that nature is full of miracles and wonders. The thing one needs is the keen observation of these natural phenomena. We should enjoy the beauty and music of nature in all its forms and seasons and weather, just like the narrator Ruskin Bond was enjoying. We can also enjoy life's little joys and regrets by taking inspiration from nature. Thank you.